Join me as I dive into the stock market and try to predict what's next for RSL stock. RSL stock has been making waves in the investment community lately, and for good reason. The company's recent performance has left many investors wondering what's next for this stock. As someone interested in the stock market, you're probably curious about the potential future of RSL stock. Market volatility has been a major concern for investors in RSL stock, with the stock price experiencing significant fluctuations in recent months. This unpredictability has led to a sense of unease among investors, who are worried about the potential risks associated with investing in RSLs. Adding to the uncertainty is the fact that the company's financials have been somewhat inconsistent, making it difficult for investors to get a clear picture of the company's health. As a result, many investors are approaching RSL stock with caution. The challenges facing RSL stock don't stop there. Investor concerns about the company's long-term viability have been growing, with some questioning whether RSLs has what it takes to compete in today's fast-paced market. These concerns have led to a decline in investor confidence, which has put downward pressure on the stock price. With so much uncertainty surrounding RSL stock, it's no wonder that investors are hesitant to jump in. Despite these challenges, some investors remain optimistic about RSL stock. They point to the company's strong brand and loyal customer base as reasons to believe in its potential for long-term growth. However, with the stock market being as unpredictable as it is, it's anyone's guess how things will play out. The company's ability to adapt to changing market conditions will likely be a key factor in determining its future success. Recent trends in the market have been suggesting a potential shift in investor sentiment towards RSL stock. Some analysts are pointing to a recent uptick in trading volume as a sign that investors are becoming more confident in the stock. However, it's essential to take a closer look at the underlying factors driving this trend. What's behind the increased interest in RSL stock, and what does it mean for the company's future? News about RSL stock has been mixed lately, with some analysts predicting a significant increase in the stock price over the next quarter. However, others have been more cautious, citing concerns about the company's financials and market volatility. Expert opinions are also divided, with some seeing RSL stock as a high-risk, high-reward play, while others view it as a stable investment opportunity. These differing viewpoints have only added to the uncertainty surrounding RSL stock. Some experts are predicting that RSL stock could be due for a significant move in the near future. They're citing technical indicators and market trends as reasons to believe that the stock price could be poised for a breakout. However, other analysts are more skeptical, arguing that the stock is overvalued and due for a correction. As always, the crystal ball is cloudy when it comes to predicting stock prices. Analysts are also weighing in on the potential impact of industry trends on RSL stock. Some believe that the company's position in the market makes it well suited to capitalize on emerging trends, while others see it as vulnerable to disruption. These competing views are essential to consider when evaluating the potential future of RSL stock. In terms of key insights, analysts are pointing to several factors that could influence RSL stock in the near future. One key area of focus is the company's upcoming earnings report, which could provide critical insight into its financial health. Another factor is the potential for regulatory changes that could impact the company's operations. To recap, we've discussed the challenges facing RSL stock, recent trends and news, and expert opinions on the stock's future. The analysis suggests that RSL stock is at a crossroads, with several factors potentially influencing its future performance. Ultimately, the future of RSL stock will depend on a variety of factors, including the company's ability to execute on its strategy and adapt to changing market conditions. If you've got thoughts on RSL stock or any other stock market topics, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below and let's chat. If you're looking to brush up on your stock market strategies, be sure to check out my previous video where we dive into some actionable tips and tricks.